this is a bit rough, so I'm just filing it. I've done a little bit of filing there, as you can see, but it's going to file it smooth and get the rough edges off here. I'm afraid that will have to do. I just file the rough edges off here and down here. Get the burrs off. So the idea is, guys, this goes there, something like that, and this goes there, something like that, and that goes in the middle somewhere, something like that. So the thing is, I've decided to put bearings in this one because this wheel is a little bit heavy. I don't think it'll work otherwise. So these are my bearings, making it easy for myself. So guys, I use this, but I think I went too far in because the bearing just drops in like that. The worst come to worst, I'll just super glue it and leave it like that, but I'd rather not if I can help it. So this is just a test run there. So I'm gonna do it on the original, the proper thing now. So guys, I'm gonna drill a very thin hole right through there so I can mark this bottom piece in the same place, and then I can do it individually. So guys, what I've decided is to drill bigger and bigger and bigger until get the more or less the right size. Okay guys, I haven't got a drill bit right size, so I'm just going to go down to a 16 there really. And it's going to be a bit big, but we'll have to do something about it. So you see guys, I made a mess of that trying to drill it bigger with another drill bit I had. So I'm going to use this side. This is just going just about right, as you can see. Okay, I'll have to tighten it, obviously it's too loose, but that's the best I'm going to do. Now I'll do this one. So guys, I gotta make a rod to fit the bearing. This is just slightly big. If I can do this one, it'd be fantastic. If not, I'm gonna use the brass. So guys, what's happened there is that the flywheel is the right size, because it'll just spin like that. I'm gonna have it like this in theory, but I'm gonna have to drill holes near here, fix this in, drill holes to fix that in. And the reason I'm gonna do that is because I want to put a little pulley there in case, just in case I put a little what it's called dynamo there for electric. I don't know if it will pull it or not, but we'll see. The thing I want to mention, guys, is that the bearing, I'm having problems with the bearings to actually fix them down and hold them where they're supposed to be. So I'm going to mess about a bit. I'm going to drill the holes and see how it goes.